We are going to commence the third chapter based on the 8th standard textbook. Can you type Amma in the computer? In this chapter, we will be discussing about how to change the keyboard layout to type Malayalam. We will familiarize the InScript keyboard layout and which fingers should be used for typing which Malayalam letters. Then we will see how we can use the combination of letters and symbols to form different letters such as ka, ke, ko, kai, etc. How to type illaksharangal such as ir, in, il, in, il. How to type sahla and software. Then we will do the activity given in 3.2. Then we will read the text using the machine. How to change Malayalam character style. Last but not the least, we will see how we can add a new language. Here we will be adding Hindi language and we will do some Hindi typing also. This is an extract from the Malayalam dictionary Shabda Taravali. In olden days, printing books in Malayalam was extremely difficult. There are over 500 different combinations of letters and symbols in Malayalam. Each of them needed separate molds, and arranging these molds to form the text was also not an easy task till the invention of computers. And here we are going to type the lines മണിനാഥം പോൽ മധുരം നമ്മുടെ മലനാട്ടിൻ മൊഴി മലയാളം composed by the famous poet Sri O.N.V. Kurup about the beauty of our language. This is the InScript keyboard layout, and we all know that the order in which the keys are arranged in a keyboard is called the keyboard layout, and this is based on the nature of the language and the flexibility of our fingers. This InScript keyboard layout was developed by CDAC, a central government agency for typing various Indian languages. And in Malayalam, the letters can be broadly classified into two: vowels or സ്വരാക്ഷരങ്ങൾ and consonants or വ്യഞ്ജനാക്ഷരങ്ങൾ. And now we will see which fingers will be used for typing the different letters. And here first we will see the left hand, and the left hand little finger which is marked in blue color is used for typing all these letters. These set of letters are typed using the left hand little finger. And then we have the ring finger, left hand ring finger, which is marked in yellow color, and these keys should be typed using the left hand ring finger. And then we have the left hand middle finger, which is marked in green color, and these keys should be typed using the left hand middle finger. And then we have the left hand pointer, which is in red color, and both these sets of keys should be typed using the left hand pointer. And then we are going to the right hand. Again, a right hand little finger, which is again marked in blue color, is used for typing these these sets of keys. And then we have the right hand ring finger, which is in yellow color, and the right hand ring finger is used for typing these keys. And then we have the right hand middle finger, which is in green color, and again the right hand middle finger is used for typing these keys. Then we have the right hand pointer, which is in pink color, and these two sets of keys are used for typing with the right hand pointer. And now we will see how we can type. So first of all, we have to open LibreOffice Writer, and for that, from applications we will select Office, and from the LibreOffice Writer. And normally when we open LibreOffice Writer and when we start typing, we will change the font size so that you can see better. Okay. So when you type, you will get the English alphabets only and not Malayalam. And if you want to get the Malayalam alphabets, here on the top panel you have an EN. You can see EN. You have to bring the mouse pointer to that, and when you click, you will get the options under that, and the first one is English, and that is why you are getting EN, and below that you will have Malayalam. And since we are going to type in Malayalam, we have to select the second one. We are selecting Malayalam, and now instead of EN you will get ML. And if we are typing, we will get the Malayalam letters instead of the English alphabets. So each time when you type, you will get the Malayalam letter corresponding to that. So like this, we will see how we can type using the keyboard. We will be typing the Malayalam letters instead of the English letters.